DIY deck easier than you think. Hey everyone, James here. Craving summer evenings on a stunning deck. Building one yourself is achievable. We will guide you through the process step by step. Subscribe for the build and turn your backyard dreams into reality. Step 1. Plan it out. Before diving in, think about your deck size and shape. How will you use it? Where will it fit best in your backyard? Check your local building or department's website to give them a call to see if you need a permit and what the rules are for railings and other features. Step 2. Design time. Choose your building materials. Pressure treated lumber is a good option for affordability and durability. Decide if you want stairs, a built in bench, special lighting, or even a fire pit. There are lots of websites and tools online to help you design your dream deck. Step 3. Dig in. Once you have a plan, grab a post hole digger or shovel and dig holes for the support posts. Make sure the holes are deep enough to meet local codes and can handle the weight of the deck. Remember safety first. Call 811 before you dig to avoid hitting underground utilities. Step 4. Set strong posts. Place the posts in the holes and ensure they are perfectly level. Use concrete or post anchors to secure them firmly in place. These are the foundations of your deck, so make sure they are strong and stable. Step 5. Frame it up. Now it's time to build the frame. Attach beams horizontally to the posts. Then connect joists horizontally supports to the beam. Use strong fasteners to connect everything and keep it level using a spirit level. A wonky frame means a wobbly deck. Step 6. Deck it up. Carefully lay the boards, ensuring even spacing for proper drainage. Research the best way to attach the boards to your chosen material. Here's a pro tip. Pre-drill the screws holes to prevent splitting the wood. Step 7. Finishing touches. Now you can add your personal touch with railings, benches, planters or lighting. Stain or paint your deck for color and protection. Don't forget comfy furniture and decorations to create your own backyard oasis. You have built your own deck with careful planning, the right tools, and these easy step-by-step instructions. You are now relaxing on your very own outdoor heaven. If you ever get stuck, visit drillingnerd.com for help.